A person came to me and asked, should I pursue higher education or not? He had tried it once, but due to some reasons he could not. He said that he passed his degree with a really good percentage, and now he is very confident that he can crack any entrance exam, he can crack IELTS and go abroad for masters. I said, show me a chart. I checked this chart. What I see is his ninth lord. Okay, we see ninth lord, the ninth house for higher education. So the lord of the ninth house was sitting in debilitation. It was Saturn. It was sitting in Aries in debilitation with sun, the enemy itself. Okay, the sun was exalted over there. So that shows that higher education would be problematic, and anyways he has suffered a problem once. What I saw on the contrary is his fifth house, that we see basic education through the fifth house, right? The lord of the fifth house, that becomes Venus. Venus was exalted in the 10th house. So I said, you should go for a job, you should look for a job, okay, and down the line, even if you want to try business, you can, because Venus was sitting with Mercury. So he does not need to really, he doesn't require that higher education. He can go for it, but then there would be a lot of troubles and he would have to go through a lot of setbacks for that. So the best thing for him to do is just start working right now, because Venus was exalted in the 10th house. 5th house, lord of basic education, was exalted in the 10th house. That means the knowledge of the basic education is suitable enough for him to get a job and start working on. That is what would be required for him to do. Har Har Mahadev.